legal framework in a SICAR. Hello and welcome, Bertrand Mario, avocat à la cour, attorney at law, licensed lawyer in Luxembourg. An investment company in risk capital, société d'investissement en capital à risque, SICAR, is primarily governed by the amended law of 15 June 2004 relating to SICAR, the SICAR law. The SICAR law was amended by the law of 12 July 2013 on alternative investment fund managers, the AIFM law. And there are two parts of the SICAR law. Part 1 refers to the general provisions applicable to all SICARs. Part 1, general provisions applicable to investment companies in risk capital. Then Part 2 concerns the specific provisions applicable to SICARs qualifying as alternative investment funds, AIFs. AIFs are defined by the AIFM law. AIFs, alternative investment funds, must be managed by an alternative fund manager, AIFM. Most SICARs qualify as AIFs. Another piece of legislation must be applied, especially if SICARs invest in short-term assets or have distinct objectives offering returns in accordance with money market rates, or where SICARs intend to preserve the value of the investment. The RIF must then comply with the EU regulation 2017-1131 on money market fund, the EU regulation 2017-1131 on money market funds. SICARs shall also apply other pieces of legislation at national and EU level on anti-money laundering, the amended Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, the MiFID II, market abuse, derivatives, securities, and general corporate law as well. As to the reference for today, it's interesting to mention Article 139 of the AIFM law. So Article 1, paragraph 39 of the AIFM law. Alternative, it's the definition of alternative investment funds within the AIFM law. Alternative investment funds, AIFs, collective investments is defined as collective investment undertakings, including investment compartments thereof, which A, raise capital from a number of investors with a view to investing it in accordance with a defined investment policy for the benefit of those investors. And B, do not require authorization pursuant to Article 5 of Directive 2009/65 EC, and that's UCITS directive. Yes, so alternative investment funds definition within the AIFM law, it's Article 1, paragraph 39. Article 4, paragraph 1. Article 4, paragraph 1 of the AIFM law. Article 4, paragraph 1. Article 4, paragraph 1, determination of the AIFM. Each AIF established in Luxembourg, managed within the scope of this law, must have a single AIFM, which shall be responsible for ensuring compliance with the provisions of this law. We are talking about the AIFM, Alternative Investment Fund Manager. The AIFM shall be either an external AIFM. The external AIFM must be an AIFM established in Luxembourg, in another member state, or in a third country, which is duly authorized pursuant to Directive 2011/61 EU. And B, so it's Article 4, paragraph 1A, that's it, and that's B. Or where the legal form, so yes, the AIFM shall be, or where the legal form of the AIF permits an internal management and where the AIF's governing body chooses not to appoint an external AIFM, the AIF itself, which shall then be authorized as AIFM. So that was Article 4, Paragraph 1 of the AIFM law. And as reference to for today, there's also the regulation, the EU regulation 2017/1131 on money market funds, and I've put the link embedded into the text within on our blog. You can also go to determination of the AIFM August 27, 2020, which I wrote on August 27, 2020. So determination of the AIFM, and there's also a podcast and a YouTube video. Well, thank you very much, and I will be with you back here soon tomorrow. Bye bye.